Hello and welcome to day number 6 of Walk Through the Word. Today we are going to move into the second book of Acts. Remember, this is our Pentecost and our book of Acts series. And so today we're going to move into chapter 2 in the book of Acts. And as usual, I want to give you a foundation. It's going to be a short video because we just want to lay a foundation so that you have an understanding of what is happening, the time, the setting, and so we can better understand what is really taking place as we look at this chapter 2 of Acts. And so when we look at it, the first thing it says is when the day of Pentecost had fully come. Now, many of us modern Christians believe that it's called Pentecost because, that's the day the Holy Ghost came. But no, that's not actually it. Pentecost was already a well-established holy day and a day of ceremony and celebration for the Jews. It is known as Shabbat, the Festival of Weeks. It is a day that they bring their first fruits. It is also historically the day that they celebrate Moses receiving the Torah. Now, the Bible does not necessarily say that, but traditionally that is the day that they celebrated the giving of the Torah to Moses. And so they were in Jerusalem. That's probably why Jesus told them to go to Jerusalem. Remember, I said it was a high holy day, and this means that it was required or expected for those who were able to travel to make the pilgrimage to Jerusalem to be there for that particular holy day. So they were there, and it says when the day of Pentecost had fully come, they were there in the upper room on one accord. Now, you want to talk about being in the right place at the right time with the right attitude to receive the promises of God. They were where they were supposed to be. They were in Jerusalem, where Jesus had told them to be. They were there where the tradition had taught them to be. History had taught them to be, and what was expected them as Jews. Remember, they were Jews who believed that Jesus was the Christ that had been promised for eons. And so they were there right where they were supposed to be. They were there at the right time when Pentecost fully came, and they had the right attitude. They were there together in one accord. And as we are waiting on the promises of God, I think it's important for us to ask ourselves, are we where we are supposed to be? Are we there when we're supposed to be there? And do we have the right attitude that we're in position to receive the promises of God? Go ahead and read chapter 2 because there's a lot we want to cover, and I'm excited about walking through the Word with you. Kingdom blessings, and I'll see you tomorrow.